Yeah, I don't really. Huh?
I don't care. Hurry up before he starts asking me something.
Whitney Houston has her own machine. I'm not into gambling, so no, I haven't.
The other casinos.
They were? Wow. Wow, very colorful.
Smell it?
Yeah.
Bath
Bath bombs, huh? Really? It's like I still have half of mine. Yeah, let's go this way. Why not? Staten Island room. Yeah. Do the little bike all the way up there. It's kind of cool. I think I've only been in here maybe once or twice, maybe. Greenberg's Deli. What? Yes, maybe it did at one point. Oh, that's right. They do have a roller coaster outside here, huh? Buns. Oh, I got. Yeah. Go stand over there. I gotta get a picture of you. Ah, you're boring. Alright, let's just go over here. Just to show them. The Mad Apple, whatever that's about. Obviously, it's a New York thing, huh? Oh, I guess it's a show, huh? Oh, the Cirque du Soleil. Gags and gifts galore. lights are bright. That's kind of cool. I gotta grab a picture of that at the top. They do have shops. Alright, so let's do the casino floor and then we'll come check out these shops. We want to do that now. Alright, I guess it's not really shops. Oh, it's just a little ice cream place here. Yeah. Oh, that's a big bar. Look at that cake.
Peanut butter and banana. Oh, guys, just trying to get some matches. I mean, I don't smoke or anything. I just realized that some of these casinos are going to be gone someday. No way insinuating that New York is going to go away anytime soon, or that it's even been talked about, because it hasn't. I'm just, you know, it's something to throw in our shadow box. So that's why I'm looking for matchbooks. And plus, cheap souvenir.
Yeah, well, it's a free souvenir that actually has a resale value. Because you get free books of matches, and you can sell them for anywhere between $5 and $12 on eBay. Alright, so now we're back here, kind of where we started from. Let's go and cut through. Check out some of the slot machines. Bored? Isn't the other kid home yet? Wolf Run Gold, Buffalo Gold, Puff and Puff.
And there's Whitney's. Wonder Woman. China Mystery. $251. Pretty good. That's pretty good off a $2.40 bet. See how much she won? No. $251 off of a $2.40 bet. That's cool. Good for her. I guess it's going to be it for New York, huh? Yeah. Yeah, but who? Yeah, I did. I seen it.
Making your way. What is this? What are you doing? What movie?
I don't know.
You don't know what movie it reminds me of?
What?
Where they start getting, the town starts getting flooded in New York.
Oh. Day After Tomorrow. What?
Big chocolate bars you got a picture.
Oh. Are these lounge flights? Oh, that's cool.
$5. Hard pass.
Yeah. Look at that giant bottle.
Yeah, it's a lot of
Chocolate syrup.
that's the point there. Turn it over.
$7.87
Hey,
or 4 for $20.50.
candy coated milk chocolate. I thought that would have been like a mint or something. Cinnamon toast crunch kisses. Oh, here we go. It's just like that. How much are these? Damn. 24 bucks. Ah, they're empty. Probably a piggy bank or something. Yep. 20 bucks.
Huh?
20 bucks for a blow mold with a hole in it. I'm sure it's one of those smellitizers though. It's a lounge fly. 50, 55 bucks.
This is a real phone.
Oh, let's see it now.
Rotary phone.
Yeah.
It's connected.
Oh, so you already know about this purse, huh?
Connects.
Oh, cool.
And you can actually use it. Look
That's
at
cool.
a jar of peanut butter.
Mm-hmm. That's cool. Kit Kat. That's in high shadow palette. Special dark.
Yeah, but
You can't even open it, huh? This is a... Yeah. This is a two-story. Look at the candy dish up there. Oh, it's kind of a cool cup. I mean, if you're into Reese's, it's cool. Look at that little jar.
peanut butter pie.
Got some different flavored chocolates in here.
Where do you want to go?
Alright guys, that's going to do it for New York, New York. If you enjoy this kind of content, please consider subscribing. It's absolutely free. And hit that like button. It'll let YouTube know to start sharing this video with others.